Hi everyone, welcome back. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be day one of Vlogmas. I am doing a holiday glam get ready with me featuring some new makeup, and I just wanted to say hello in the intro to this video. I'm going to be trying to vlog every single day leading up to Christmas, so 24 days in total. If you would like to see exactly how to achieve this cranberry glam eye for the holidays, go ahead and keep watching. Hello! I can't express to you how excited I am to be back and doing Vlogmas yet again after 4 years off. The last time I did Vlogmas, it was 2016. So I'm excited to be back today. Today we are doing a get ready with me featuring a holiday makeup, new releases, limited edition collections, and just things I haven't tried yet. Gonna start off by putting on my little headband. So as I put my primer on, this is the All Nighter by Urban Decay. I'll have all the products linked down below. I have been thinking about this decision to do Vlogmas for a very long time. And if you guys have any suggestions for like what to name it, like Chelsmas or Pearlmas or just something along those lines, let me know. I'm all ears. But I thought it'd just be fun to like challenge myself, end this year with a bang, try and do 24 videos in the month of December. I have a lot of great video ideas at the moment. This is just gonna light a fire under my butt to actually execute them. This month is going to have a mixture of like traditional sit down videos and some vlogs. I wanna do obviously gift guides. I wanna do some home decor, possibly some cooking, who knows, but kind of sticking with my core bread and butter, which is fashion and beauty. And no travel this time around because things are just too serious at the moment to go anywhere, in my opinion. So I am staying home. I actually stayed home for Thanksgiving. I haven't traveled since the end of October. So I've just been kind of home and laying low. I'm using this Ricky Loves Ricky mirror. This was actually a gift from Origins. It's a light up mirror. I recommend it, but it's really expensive for what it is, and like it kind of feels cheap, but it lights up so bright. There's like these LEDs that are dimmable. There's 3 modes, and I take this with me all the time when I do travel, or if I need to like do my makeup on the go. If budget's not an option, it's a great gift idea, but I just think it's really expensive. You could probably get like an off-brand one on Amazon for a lot cheaper. Foundation today is a Cosmetics CC, by the way. I wear the shade Fair Light. And if you follow me on Instagram, I do these kind of get ready with me's on stories quite often, usually once a week. And you'll see that I use a lot of the same products. So I'm like starting to get in a rut, but you know what? I'm making a lot of progress on those Project Pan products. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, I will link that video series up above. Concealer today is CoverGirl True Blend in the shade Porcelain 150. And I'm also gonna put a little bit on my eyelids as my primer today. Just taking a synthetic mini kabuki to kind of evenly blend that across my eyes. So it was interesting because in Vlogmas 2016, I was still working in an office, and I obviously shared lots of holiday shopping, events I went to, PR unboxings, potentially grocery hauls, if I remember correctly. Okay, so the first new product I'm going to be testing out is this new Shades by Shan Loose Setting Powder. It is translucent matte, and this is a new-ish release. They released it, I think, earlier this fall. Great timing because I just ran out of my Laura Mercier. So I'm taking a little bit on my damp sponge, super finely milled. Get it right up in that corner. So just adding a little excess in case the eyeshadows do have fallout, we can easily sweep it away. So I have 3 eyeshadow quads to share today. These are all part of the Winter Wonderland collection by Shades by Shan. So we've kind of got like a cranberry eye, a blue icy smoky eye, and kind of a jewel tone. So I think we're gonna take this cranberry quad and work with this today. Going in with my Hakuhodo brush. We're gonna go with the shade Gingerbread. Just gonna sweep this through the crease. So one thing I do want to incorporate in Vlogmas this year are holiday giveaways. I have a lot of beauty products that I've been collecting over the last few months, and I want to give them away to you. So you will have to stay tuned. They will be surprise giveaways announced in videos. So make sure you're subscribed here on YouTube. Also, I have a newsletter and I have an Instagram account, which I'm very active on. This is a Smashbox pencil brush number 30. I'm taking the shade Sugar Plum, which is that vibrant berry, and I'm gonna just put that right on the outer edge. I wasn't supposed to do a colorful look today, but here we are. These shades are just too pretty to say no to. I just pushed my finger into the shade Spiced Rum, and it's definitely a glitter kind of suspended in a gel that you'll want to apply with your fingers. Look at that. I might just go back into Sugar Plum and smoke out this edge a bit more. We're gonna try and just sweep away some of the excess glitter that has fallen down. Just added a little extra powder under my eyes to catch any extra fallout. I'm going to use just a like bone colored eyeshadow color. This is from the brand Rejuva. This is a longtime favorite. It's a really dry texture. And we're gonna just kind of clean up the brow bone softly. And then going back with our gingerbread shade just to blow out the crease a bit more. Taking a little bit of that gingerbread and going underneath. And again, going in with that Sugar Plum on the very, very outer, wiping off our bake. I swear it's gonna come together. Next, we're gonna go into brows. I've been using this Arches and Halos brow pomade for a while now, and I really, really like it. I was talking about this on Instagram the other day. Since my hair is a little bit darker now, I've been loving a more structured, kind of bold brow. And I take literally the smallest amount of this and rub it in the cap to kind of thin it out. So the next new to me product I'm gonna be testing out is the contour palette by Shades by Shan. I love this ombre packaging. There are 4 shades in here. We're gonna try shade Latte first and see what that's like. I'm kind of applying this like bronzer, not super precise. Let's see for contouring the nose. I think this is my color, you guys. Do a little bit around the hairline. I have the Shades by Shan blush palette and it is crazy pigmented. So I know that these powders can be a little strong. That's why I'm trying to go in with a light hand. Gotta snatch this jawline as best we can. They also sent over the highlight palette. This is also new to me. 4 gorgeous shades in here. I swatched them yesterday. Did I mention about Shades by Shan? I have a couple different videos featuring the brand, but basically they are a San Francisco Bay Area based cosmetics brand, Latina owned. They also have a charity arm of their business where a portion of the proceeds go to the Mama Berries Foundation, a foundation 501c3 nonprofit that benefits single parents, which I think is so awesome. I think I'm gonna use Marjorie. I'm gonna be crazy and try a different shade on the other side. Let's try Irma. And we're gonna try Lucci down the bridge of my nose. Probably something I wouldn't do in real life, like this many different highlights, but for the sake of this video and testing the products, we might need to tone that down a little bit. So that is the highlight palette, very, very pretty. They also have a brand new highlight with the Winter Wonderland collection. This is their Polar Ice highlight and it looks as fabulous as it sounds. Bam. So with this, I'm going to use this as my inner corner highlight today. I'm using a Cozzette brush, a very, very teeny tiny fluffy brush. Just going in. I'm jumping all over the place. I wasn't planning on going this heavy with the eye because usually I would do my eyes totally first and then move into face makeup, but we're kind of just jumping all over the place today. And for next time, I would probably apply this Sugar Plum shade first and then layer the Spiced Rum over top. Quick liquid liner. This is the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof. I feel like this just gives my eyes a little extra definition because, you know, with the glitter and the blending, it can be a lot. I'm trying to figure out if I want to do blush. I feel like sometimes with the eyes so heavy, I skip blush because I feel like it competes with the colors. So I actually learned this trick in a Jaclyn Hill video, but I've been doing this new lower lip contour to really emphasize like my pout, I guess you could say. So I've never had lip fillers. My lips are a decent volume, but doing this little trick makes your lips pop. And it's just lining the lower side. If I do the upper on my lip shape, I feel like it's painfully obvious, but with the lower, I feel like it just brings it forward a little bit more and creates that shadow. They sent over a bunch of new holiday lips. We have 3 liquid lipsticks and like a lip topper. All of their liquid lipsticks come with a lip liner, so they're sold in a duo. The lip liner formula is amazing, and they're also retractable pencils. We have 3 lips here. Kelly is this berry color, Katrina is the nude, and then Jess is the mauve-y nude. Did a quickie little swatch on my hand. I think I'm gonna go with the mauve nude. Lip contour was a little bit heavy on that side, so just gonna clean that up a little bit. I love this lip liner formula so much that I would just wear it alone, honestly. I mean, I've gone through an entire lip liner from Shades by Shan in the past, and I'm not typically a lip liner person. The lip liner is just a kiss darker than this lipstick. Definitely gives you that nice dimension. Uh-oh, I think we're creasing a little bit on this eye. It's probably my bad on that one. Probably should have known better with the glitter formula to put it over a real lid primer. Also, hooded eyes problems, am I right? So the mascara I'm using is by Pixie. Again, I sound like a broken record. I've shared this on Instagram stories. It's not my favorite. I really gotta work it in there and do like 2 or 3 coats to really help it build on itself. It's definitely not as volumizing as I'd like it to be. I'm gonna improvise here and try and fix the glitter. I'm gonna take my all-nighter spray. I'm gonna take a flat synthetic brush, spray this brush, and try and pick up a little more glitter and place it where it's kind of lifted. I feel like that's working. Taking a little more of the loose setting powder. Now I have oily skin, I feel like I can do this. If you have dry skin, this might be too much powder for you. And again, oily skin problems, I'm taking my favorite all-nighter. This honestly helps my makeup last so long, and it keeps that shine down. I also apply it like right where I wear my sunglasses and on my chin where I instantly sweat off makeup. We're going to do a final spritz of some all-nighter. There you have it. That is the finished look. I'm gonna call this my like holiday cranberry glam. I had a little bit of difficulty working with that glitter shade, but I feel like the end result really came out well, and it's very festive, very fun, and just a little bit different. If there's a time to wear glitter, it is definitely the holiday season. I think definitely this liquid lip in the color Jess could be a new favorite. I really like it. This is definitely a typical shade that I would go for, that mauve-y pink. This could be a permanent fixture in my makeup collection, who knows. The team also sent over Flamin' Rojo, which is in their permanent collection. I definitely want to do a holiday glam look featuring a red lip and a more subdued eye. Stay tuned for that later this Vlogmas. And yeah, I'm really excited to have you here. And if you stay to the end, I have a really exciting announcement. There's gonna be a giveaway in this video. So if you want to win the Shades by Shan blush palette, this is a brand new one that you'll win. There are 4 shades in here: plum, apricot, raspberry, and peach. I actually own an older version of this palette, old packaging, but here's kind of the shades you will win. Definitely very pigmented, beautiful blush shades. I like them individually, I like them mixed. I usually mix apricot and peach together to get my favorite shade. So if you'd like to enter this giveaway, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, number 1. And number 2, comment down below something you're looking forward to this December. It could be big, it could be small. Let me know. So I really hope you enjoyed this video and this makeup look. Subscribe down below. All of the products I used today will be mentioned with shoppable links. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again tomorrow.